Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm here with MrWaheedulHaque. We're going to be getting the calipers resprayed on this car because he only has one sprayed up at the moment. So we wanted a red metallic, but unfortunately it doesn't go that way, as you'll see in the video later on, but it is what it is. It's better than nothing, I guess. And yeah. Hi guys, we have done the calipers now. Well, Hasim has, thank you Hasim. So we tried the candy apple red, but he couldn't get color match, so this is the closest. Right now it's not dry yet, so when it dries up it'll look more metallic and red. Should
pop out a bit more.
Yeah. I'll show you the ones at the front. I think the front one looks better, do you don't reckon? Looks more metallic on this one. So on the camera it's not looking very metallic, but in person it's a bit more metallic. I'll show you the other side. This look very nice. Doing an alright job for the price. We paid £80. £80, isn't it?
80 quid.
80 quid.
I need to touch up my alloys as well.
And he's done his alloys for him as well, made them black again so they're not curb marked. So yeah, 80 quid, that's not bad. It's not bad for the price, I guess. So yeah, highly recommend Hasim Khan. Who's Hasim Khan in it?
Hasim Khan.
HK Automotive Detailing in Burnley. Very nice, very nice. So if this dries in time and I seal up again, I'll show you the end, what it looks like. Right now it's still very wet, so yeah, we just let it dry out. Finished product. Are you happy with it, Lavi? Hello. You're on YouTube, man.
No,
say Bismillah.
It's alright, but I would have wanted a bit
brighter, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, next time.
Too much of a dark red.
We wanted candy apple red. Don't know what this is. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Good night.